If you've been following my channel for a while, you would know that I am a big advocate of the $1 million collar. But now there is a ready-to-wear shirt with a $1 million collar pre-installed, and they go by Gotieless shirts. These shirts were manufactured by the original makers of the $1 million collar, and you know, it's great to finally have something that is just ready to wear versus going through the whole install process of, like, you know, the $1 million collar, especially, you know, if you don't own a sewing machine or have multiple like shirts they have to go take to a tailor. Anyway, it comes in this, you know, really creative packaging, and you know, their overall model with this brand is just, you know, being more relaxed and comfortable, laid back, while also looking good. And if you can't already, you know, tell by the name, it's a shirt made for going tieless. But let's just get to the nitty-gritty detail, shall we? Now, as for the fabric, they went with a bamboo, spandex, and poly blend fabric, which feels super cool to the touch. I think it was a good choice of fabric blend because you get, you know, the softness, breathability, antibacterial properties from the bamboo blend, while also getting, you know, structure and wrinkle resistance from the polyester and more added stretch with the spandex. The stitching is also on point. The $1 million collar is securely locked in there, and they even added a tight seam near the end of the placket. I'm actually wearing one right now to keep the $1 million collar from moving around. I think I'm gonna later try to do this to my other shirts that you know already have these installed, because it does look cleaner and it doesn't wrinkle if you were to like bend it around. Now, as for the collar itself, you can see that it stays up no matter how many buttons you want to leave unbuttoned. This is why I love these, because it holds up and gives you a sharp, powerful look. Another cool feature, which I don't really use, but hey, it's cool to have. They added a convertible cuff, which gives you the option to use a cuff link instead of, you know, the buttons. Now, as for the fit, I suggest double checking with the size chart. I am an awkward in between size with, you know, a medium and a large, but more of a large with some tailoring. Overall, I think they killed it with this one, and it's just, you know, something that is unique in the shirt market. So if you guys are interested, I will make sure to link their site as well, and their $1 million collar site if you want to install these in, you know, shirts that you already own and want to wear tieless. Anyways, that wraps up this review on the Gotieless shirts. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you on the next one. Peace.